Loser. Woo. Let's pretend you didn't see that. I'll go find another one. Or not. Don't tell my mother I did this. Whatever, you don't pay my dentist.
Just really low. Don't forget. Oh, sorry.
We have 1 million of these bowls, so I don't have to do that. Look, now that I said that, the bowl won't come off. Where'd my whisk go? I'll just grab another. And we're just gonna whisk in, if I can find a whisk. This will not go on. Do you see the fight? Give that a twist. Plug it in. Ah, did we plug this in?
Oh, I love this. It just always happens to me.
Loser. 8 drawers of utensils, but only 1 whisk, apparently. Be right with you. Yep, no more whisks. Can I have another whisk? I need a whisk! I'm gonna win. No, I'm not. It simply won't fit here. Come on, baby. Come to mama. Oh my God, it's so big it won't fit on the spoon. We'll edit this and it'll be seamless later. Thank you, Grant. If you don't have a Grant at your house, make sure that you clean your whisk and put it back. So I'm gonna highlight the sweetness of our pepper puree. I won. Why, thank you, Big K. Don't you have Kim at your house? Oh. You guys, did you give me the wrong lid?
What?
Did anybody bring a child to take this out? Thank you, Big K. Nope. And we have our... We'll get that later. Here's what's gonna happen. You're gonna go do that in the kitchen and bring it back later. Bye-bye.
Oh, I love this. And that was the Rachael way, too.